When it rains, where does all that water go? Melbourne, like a lot of cities, is prone to flooding. A changing climate and increased urbanisation pose continuing challenges to flood management. More hard surfaces like roads and driveways means a higher risk of flooding. At Melbourne Water, we're always working to maintain and improve our drainage network. We maintain nearly 1,600 kilometres of stormwater drains and 240 retarding basins, which help to reduce the risk of flooding. We team up with local communities, councils and more than 40 partner agencies to work on flood prevention, response and recovery initiatives. We invest in natural wetlands, which not only mitigate flooding, but also filter sediments, improve water quality and provide better access to parklands and green space for communities. And it doesn't stop there. We're continually working to help you stay safe and dry, even when Mother Nature has other ideas. To learn more about drainage or the many other ways Melbourne Water is helping to make Melbourne a fantastic place to live, visit us online.